Day 17.
Again, I think.
My lunch.
I'm gonna do laundry. After that, I'm gonna go to the gym. Yeah, I think I have to sit ups more. Yeah, so I will always do that in the morning, but I'll do the best in the gym again. Yeah.
Done. Let's go to the gym. I'm gonna make dinner. It's gonna be spaghetti. My dinner. Ooh. Leftover. Ooh, 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 yeah.
Day
I think
18.
I'm gonna gain. Yeah, right. It's not good today.
Going to the gym. Do my best. Do my best. Say, do my best. Do my best.
You know, life like this. Like cooking, drinking, watching something, enjoying, like that. Oh.
Shimeji with the cabbage.
My dinner. No rice today, because I'm drinking.
Day 19.
It's not good.
I got the new jeans. Hoo, 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 hoo. Yeah. Don't say short legs. It's gonna be my dinner. KFC. I'm gonna work today. So I'm gonna have breakfast. Oh yeah. As you know, I went to Family Mart. Anyways, today I got a royal milk tea. It's sweet. And it's so bad. I don't know why I wanted sweet, so I got chocolate cheesecake. Expensive. Oh my. It's bad. I know. Anyways, I'm gonna go work. Launch. I'm home.
I miss you.
Hey, what's up?
I'm having a bath. Oh yeah. Anyways, my body is not changed. If I work hard, yeah, I can lose my weight, but I often work, so it's so difficult. Anyways, yeah, if I get a body, of course I'm gonna do the best till get a body, nice body. I wanna eat a lot. I mean, like going to the convenience stores, 7-Eleven, Family Mart, Lawson, like that. And I can show you, I can introduce food. Yeah, that sounds great, right? But I'm not sure. I'm not a big eater now, so just 2 or 3 meals, it's enough. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting, message. Do my best, do my best, do my best, do my best. Bye bye.